everybody, it's Ivy, and today I'm doing a hair video. Now I was gonna wait to do this video, but I need to get it done now because I need y'all to know about this hair now. Y'all, I have come across a hidden gem. I have come across some super bomb hair on AliExpress. Like, when I say bomb, y'all, this hair is bomb. So the hair I'm talking about is this hair from DSoar Hair, and this is their Peruvian natural wave. I picked up 4 bundles, but I only used like 2.5, 3, and I got inches 26, 26, 24, and 22, and I also got a 20-inch closure. Yes, I got a closure this time. I wanted to try out some closures because your girl a little tired of frontals. Okay, I love frontals, but I need a break, and closures are way easier. So right now I have on my wig grip. And what the wig grip is a band, and it helps keep your wigs from sliding back. And I got this from Amazon. I will put a link below so you guys can check out one. But this right here is the wig, and I handmade this unit myself. And it just has a lace closure, and I did bleach this lace closure to perfection, I must say. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this wig on. Okay guys, so I just put some water right here on the front just so it can lay a little bit better. So now I'm going to add a little bit of eyeshadow. It's like a nice little brown color right here. I like colors like this because they usually blend really good with my hairline. That's pretty much all I do to this wig to put it on. This is definitely some of the best curly, wavy hair I've tried from AliExpress. It is very nice, y'all, and it's very full. And for the price, I'm really surprised by the hair. And I know people will think like, oh, she's getting paid so much money to say that, but I'm not, you guys. I swear, like, I really like this hair. When I'm looking for a brand that I really consider a top brand, I'm looking for things like amount of hair you get in the bundles, the bundle being thick from roots to ends. I'm looking for if I get closures or frontal pieces from you, if they match the hair, if it's the same texture, and I'm also looking for if your hair tangles, sheds, or if it has like that weird smell. So when I found this company, they definitely checked out with everything, and I'm definitely going to be doing this like once a month, like finding a company that I don't, you know, hear so much about and testing out their hair and letting you guys know exactly what I think, like exclusively what I think. And I know my babies are always looking for something bomb that's affordable, and I definitely recommend this. So this is my leftover bundle, and this is what the hair looks like when you first get it. Now, I hope in this lighting you guys can see the hair. It has like a low luster. It's not shiny. I don't know if y'all could tell. This hair is not glossy. So if you're looking for something super glossy, silky, this hair is not it. This hair gives you the look of raw hair without it costing a whole lot, okay? It definitely looks like raw hair. This doesn't look like anything I've ever had from AliExpress. And that's saying a lot. Like, usually a lot of the AliExpress companies look very similar to one another, but this one is different. And I did hand make this wig. I made this wig about a month ago, so I've been like wearing the wig here and there, testing it out. And for it to be really long, it doesn't like tangle in the back. That's a big problem for me if my hair is tangling in the back, and it doesn't tangle in the back. I did get a little shedding, but it really doesn't shed. Like, and when I made my wig, I cut the tracks, and I still didn't get a lot of shedding. So the wefts are nice and tight. This isn't even like the curl pattern that comes out when you wash it. I've washed this hair about maybe 4 times, and this is actually an old wash. Like, this hair hasn't been washed in about a week, but when it's freshly washed, like, the curls are very juicy on this hair. I'm actually gonna order some more, and I'm gonna make it into a U part because I want to wear this hair like sew-in style. Let me know if you want to see another video with me styling this hair, like if you want to see it pressed like bone straight. It looks like this hair looks like it will go bone straight, like, doesn't it? It looks like it'll go bone straight. Oh, look at that girl wig. That's, y'all, this is how you properly make a wig. This is how your wig should sit on your head, okay? Flat. Shouldn't be lumpy, bumpy, flat. I love the length. It's very, very full, like all the way to the ends. This hair is super full. So from this angle, you definitely should be able to see more of the length. The ends on this hair look absolutely amazing. Like, look at the ends. I haven't cut it, I haven't trimmed, I haven't did anything. And the hair is very long. It hits me all the way down here. And I really like their closure. Their closure is very, very nice. The lace was very easy to bleach. I didn't have any issues with it, like shedding. It don't have a whole lot of those loose hairs. I haven't had Peruvian hair in a very long time. I forgot how much I really love it. I will show you guys this hair in a different light. That's why I did it out here in my living room today, because I really wanted you guys to see it. Sometimes in my studio lights, you just don't get the full essence of the hair, because this hair is, y'all, this hair is popping. Like, it's really, really good. It doesn't tangle, it doesn't shed, and it's very, very soft. You get a nice amount of hair, like a nice amount. I have like 2.5 bundles. I don't even have all 3 in my head and the closure, so you get a lot of hair. If you are interested in this hair, make sure you check the description bar below. All the links and details will be down there. So yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to thumb me up if you like my hair reviews. Let me know if you like my videos better out here in the living room. Does it look better? Is it clearer? Thanks again for watching. I will talk to y'all soon.